Hi guys, Evic Your Disease here. I'm back with another video, and today I will be showing you all how to make your own herbal supplements. I have the Capsule Machine, and this is good for size 0 capsules. I got it for $21.50 for Good Earth. I have some lavender that I had stored in the house, and lavender is so good for headaches and anxiety. And I also have a coffee grinder, which I will be grinding the herbs with. And I also have this size 0 gelatin capsules, and these is good for 500 milligrams. I have 1,000 for $10.50 from Good Earth. So let's go ahead and get started.
Right